It would seem in this day and age that a country with the world's highest hourly rates of pay, shortest working days per year, and shortest working years per career would be doomed to financial disaster. You'd be surprised.
We have a good combination of automation and of involving human employees into our systems.
Siemans Nixdorf, Europe's largest computer manufacturer, has invested over 200 million Deutschmarks in this factory an hour west of Munich. The Augsberg plant is regarded by many as the most automated paperless manufacturing environment in the world. It's one of only a few places in Europe practicing a concept called CAI, or computer-assisted industry. A system that controls everything in the factory, from incoming goods to the laser drilling of the ceramic circuit boards. Every one of the 850 steps needed to build these computers.
What you see is a totally organized, computer-aided manufacturing site based on networks which synchronize information flow and material flow in a very advanced logistic way.
Gone are the days of factories like this pouring out thousands of cloned computers that perform exactly the same functions. Although these machines appear similar, each one is designed specifically to meet the customer's requirements.
This highly flexible CAI structure not only guarantees a comprehensive range of models, but also rapid and individualized orders. Big companies are returning to personalized service to survive. There's no better example of this than the mesmerizing laser etching device. It's able to produce 300 variations of lettering for a customer's keyboards, from different languages to different setups, all within a single order and all within a day. And Siemens doesn't need to hold stock of the many kinds of keyboard buttons. Although this plant employs around 1,800 people, it is eerily quiet for such a large operation. Thanks in part to the driverless transport vehicles, which also eliminate the need for manual lifting, loading, sorting, or stacking of material. And just like the local supermarket, Siemens keeps stock of all its items with an advanced barcoding device. 1,000 products are made and ready to leave the factory every day.
An operation of this magnitude is only as good as its weakest point. Siemens has decentralized the plant so that if there's a breakdown somewhere, it only affects a small area and avoids the domino effect.
Each assembly line is also a technical office, and any worker is able to call up the current state of production whenever needed. With its 5 robots and 5 operators, this line is capable of producing a keyboard every 40 seconds. While the robots go about their work, operators working on a rotating shift handle the tasks too intricate for their metal counterparts. Product quality is very much focused on the individual employee. Each operator is responsible for quality control. The company doesn't pay employees to rectify faults. Suffice to say, there are few mistakes.
We depend very much on everybody to make suggestions how to improve the environment, the human environment and the technical environment, and who can do that best than the people who are dealing with their jobs.
With heavy capital investment and highly productive employees, German companies have ensured that this country is the world's most successful exporter of manufactured goods.